Hey guys, welcome back to Techness Arena, your go-to channel for all things tech. So, are you ready for the fourth part of our Excel series? In this video also, I'll discuss 5 new questions with you. In our previous parts, we have covered 15 questions. So, let's start with our 16th question in today's video. Question number 16. How do you merge cells in Excel? Merging cells is a formatting feature in Excel that combines multiple cells into one larger cell. So, choose the right one from the following four. Option A. Select the cells to be merged, then click the Merge in Center button from the Home tab. Option B. Right-click on the cells to be merged and choose Merge Cells from the context menu. Option C. Use the Merge function. And Option D. Press Ctrl plus M. The correct answer is Option B. Right-click on the cells to be merged and choose Merge Cells from the context menu. To merge cells in Excel, you can select the cells you want to merge, then right-click and choose Merge Cells from the context menu. This action combines the selected cells into one larger cell while keeping the content of the upper left cell and discarding the content of other cells. Question number 17. What is the purpose of the VLOOKUP function in Excel? Understanding the purpose of the VLOOKUP function is crucial for performing table lookups in Excel. Okay, select the right option. Option A. To calculate the sum of a range of cells. Option B. To count the number of cells in a range that meets specific criteria. Option C. To perform a vertical lookup in a table and return a corresponding value from a specified column. And option D. To find the highest value in a range of cells. So the correct answer is option C. To perform a vertical lookup in a table and return a corresponding value from a specified column. The VLOOKUP function takes 4 arguments: the lookup value, the table array, the column index number, and an optional range lookup parameter. This function is commonly used for data retrieval tasks, such as looking up a product's price based on its code in a price list. Question number 18. How do you delete a worksheet in Excel? Deleting a worksheet is a common task in Excel, especially when organizing or cleaning up a workbook. Select the right option from the following four. Option A. Right-click on the Worksheet tab and choose Delete from the context menu. Option B. Press Ctrl plus D. Option C. Use the Delete Sheet option from the Edit menu. And Option D. Drag the Worksheet tab to the Recycle bin. So the correct answer is Option A. Right-click on the Worksheet tab and choose Delete from the context menu. To delete a worksheet in Excel, you can right-click on the Worksheet tab you want to delete, and you can simply choose Delete from the context menu. Excel will prompt you to confirm the deletion, and once confirmed, the worksheet will be permanently removed from the workbook. Be cautious when deleting worksheets, as this action cannot be undone. Question number 19. How do you adjust the height of a row in Excel? Adjusting the height of rows helps in accommodating varying amounts of content within cells. So, choose the correct option. Option A. Right-click on the row header, choose row height, and enter the desired height. Option B. Select the row, then drag the row border to adjust the height. Option C. Press Ctrl plus H. And Option D. Use the Auto Fit Row Height option from the Format menu. The correct answer is Option A. Right-click on the row header, choose row height, and enter the desired height. To adjust the height of a row in Excel, you can right-click on the row header, means the number on the left side of a worksheet corresponding to the row you want to adjust. Choose row height from the context menu and enter the desired height in the row height dialog box. This method allows you to specify a custom height for the selected row. Question number 20. Which of the following options allows you to sort data in Excel? Sorting data is a fundamental operation in Excel for organizing information in a desired order. So select the right option from the following four. Option A. Use the sort function. Option B. Right-click on a cell, then choose Sort from the context menu. Option C. Press Ctrl plus S. And option D, apply a sorting style from the cell styles gallery. So the correct answer is option B. Right click on a cell, then choose sort from the context menu. To sort data in Excel, you can right click on any cell within the column you want to sort by, then choose sort from the context menu. Excel will prompt you to select the sorting options such as sorting by values, cell color, font color, and whether to sort in ascending or descending order. This method provides flexibility in sorting data based on a specific criteria. That was all for today. We'll move to next questions in the next video.
If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Techness Arena for more informative insights. And I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.